After the tremendous success of uh, transformation video of Windows 11 to Windows 7, here I am with another similar concept, but this time it is Windows XP. So, yeah, if you like this video, please do hit that like button, and if you want to follow me more, then subscribe too. So here we are on our desktop screen. As you can see, it is a very vanilla looking desktop. So yeah, the first step which we are going to do is create a restore point so that we can come back to our original state. So for that, just search create a restore point and just click over here. It will ask you for administrative permissions, so give it. And from here just create. I'm not going to do it because I already have one. So yeah, let me just cancel it. And now our task of customization begins. So I'll leave down all the links which I'm going to use in this video. So first thing we are going to need is Retrobar. It is a free software which you can use to change your taskbar as it suggests. But first, let me just decentralize this, as it is centered, and you know nobody likes the center taskbar. Just give me a moment for that. um, Here it is. Just switch it back to left and remove all unnecessary things like widget section. It was not in those days. So yeah, now we have to do is paste and go to the link in the description, and we are on the official page of Retrobar, GitHub page. From here, go to release, and here in assets, download x64 bit, and I'm going to save it in desktop. Okay, so for clarification, this is our Retrobar. Now just extract it. I'm using WinRAR. You can actually extract it with normal Windows file extractor. Now just open it and click it. It will take some time because depends upon your PC specification. Here it is, it turned into XPbar, but mine turned, but you will see when you come this 98 to 95 one. So don't panic over that stage. Just come here and turn it to XP Blue. You'll have your XP taskbar, and for some reasons it is just having some glitches. Let me just fix them. Here we are. So whenever you face glitches like that, you can just restart the Retrobar and you can just have your system. But it is still Windows 11 taskbar, which is kind of funny. So we are going to change it. Simply just go to the link and download from the fourth number OpenShell. I'll give all these links in the description and this text file too. And then go to your preferred browser. In my case it is Brave. Paste and go. It is also a GitHub page, so same steps. Go to releases, and then here we'll download exe instead of any type of zip, because it will install our program, and it is a program. So yeah, I'll save it in the download folder itself. Open. And OpenShell is also another free program. The setup of OpenShell is really very simple, because it just is a normal setup. So just click next, accept the terms and conditions, deselect all things which you don't need. In my case, I don't need the classic explorer. And then next, install. It will ask you for administrative permissions, so give it. And yeah, for sure this will install our classic shell in a moment. Then finish. And after that, whenever you will click your start button, it will give you options. In my case, it didn't, because I earlier set it up for the sake of research in the video. But you'll see something I don't know. OpenShell menu settings. You'll see this at your first glance. Just this thing. You just have to select this, show all settings, skins, XP Luna, and then from menu look, click this option so that it aligns with the down bar. If I untick it, it will just float, but if I'll check this, it will stay intact with the taskbar. Still it has some errors, so let me just rectify it. Like, XP had icons over this tray, so why not our windows? So yeah, here they come. And larger font, yeah, okay, it will work. Small icons, no. So this was our look for recreating XP's look from old times. Now what we are going to do is change all these icons. So for that, we will need another file. Let's go for that. Now this one is from DeviantArt. So it is a known website for all these artistic things. You have to make an account or log in into it. Since I have already logged in, so mine it won't get any trouble. But you have to log in, because it is necessary to download anything from DeviantArt. From here it is free download, and I'll save them in the download folder itself. Okay, and it is just 155 kbs, that's it. So it is a small file. I guess it will come under icon files, not like the system32.dll. so yeah, and yes, it is extracted. Now retrobar, oh sorry, XP icons. Here they are, all the XP icons which we are going to use. Now what we have to do is, we just have to go to our personalize. From personalize, we have to go to themes. From themes, desktop icons. And since control panel is not given here, I'll just untick it, and the things which are given here, I'll just change their icons. Browse to the folder which we downloaded, and to the respective icon. Like in my case, it is computer icon node, so this icon will work, and OK. Similarly, thing goes with all the other icons, like folder icon. It was somewhere around, yep, this can work. And then recycle bin icon too. Here it is. full recycle bin. Change the icons, browse. You know the step goes same, and after the application you'll see quite a lot difference in the icons. Now apply and OK. And when you close these windows, then you can see our icons have changed to Windows XP icons. Although I don't wanted to change the text file, as it is the same from older times to now, and why should we change that? So yeah, but you know, this is not our Windows XP background. So for that, again, go to one of the websites I have mentioned in my links for XP wallpaper, and here we are. Now from here you can just select whichever your resolution is, like mine is 1366 by 768. Save it. You can just know your display size, or can download any of these. Then just right click and set as desktop background, and after that, voila, we have XP wallpaper. Now you may have noticed that these are clearly Windows 11 borders, you see, and we don't want them. Basically, we are here to convert it to XP, but there are two ways of converting it. First one is paid, so that is from a software called Windows Blend 11. I'm also sharing the link of it, so if someone wants to pay for it, he or she can pay and use it, or you can use the 30 days free trial too. But here it is. But I'm going to show something similar which will not look identical to Windows XP, but yeah, maybe can do the work. So for that, just go to personalize and themes. No, sorry, not themes. Yeah, themes. And then color, let it be blue. And from here, just take this icon, show accent colors of the title bar. This will change these icons over, these borders over above. So yeah, just stick it on, and now when we close it and open this, it will have a little border of it. I don't know why, because I guess the new Explorer is not used to that thing. But yeah, that was the end of the thing. And if you want me to show about Windows Blend 2, let me just show you that also, that what the paid thing looks like. Try the 30 days free trial. We don't have 5 seconds. Save. And this is a little bigger software, and my network is going slow today, so yeah, it will take some time. I'll meet you guys when all these things are set up and finished.
A few moments later.
So this is Windows Blend after, you know, setup processes. Now from here we can select Windows Luna, which is nothing but XP theme. So just apply the style, hit yes, and it will take some time to load, and after loading we'll have a XP like structure in front of us. And let me tell you, not only XP, we can turn it to anything. Windows 7 Aero to, you know, Mac OS X and other cool styles designed by different users. So yeah, And Stardock products also just very much match with all of their other products, so you can just buy their products, but I'll suggest to go with free alternatives of it only, which is either, you know, lack of border. And see, it is also not perfect, because the new tablet format just ruined all things, but at least you have buttons of Windows XP. And if we select WinWer, which is also looking like Windows XP, so yeah, this is actually quite awesome. So this was pretty much it. How was the video? You can comment down below. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and thank you guys for giving me support on my Windows 11 to 7 video. It was a big motivation for me, and if you want that in future I make a video on a modernized version of Windows 7, or a concept like Windows 7, which you can use and you can use it in daily life, so please comment down below. I'll make sure to make it, as I'm working on one. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel, and I'll meet you guys maybe in another video. Till then, keep smiling.